Good morning, everyone. Hi to all. So it has been almost like 6 months that I've not ridden with my group, that is Bangalore Motorcycle Club. Okay, this group rides almost every month on the third weekend, that is third Saturday and Sunday, and most of the time I'll be part of it. But for last 6 months, due to some or the other reason, I could not be a part of it. So today I'm going with Bangalore Motorcycle Club. The destination today is Chikmagalur, but we will not be taking the standard Bangalore Hassan road and then via Belur enter Chikmagalur. The route we are planning to take is from here to Tumkur to Arsikere to Chikmagalur, and on the way back we'll do the Bangalore Hassan highway, that is via Belur. So yeah, it's going to be fun because you can't cross 80 or 90 kilometers per hour speed with this group because there is a pilot in the front. When the pilot is in the front, you can't overtake him, and there is a sweep at the back who no one can fall behind the sweep. So the pilot and the sweep make sure that everybody is in, the group is completely intact and accountable at any times. So let me catch you on the ride on my bike. Bye for now. Good morning. Good morning from the bike, and it's almost like 6:30, and I'm on my way to the start meeting point. The clouds have opened up and started drizzling, so it is a beautiful day to start. I've reached the starting point and it looks like nobody is turned up yet, so let me wait for some more time and then we'll have the presentation, welcoming from the pilot, and he'll guide us on the route. So let me wait. Keep you posted. Bye.
We are riding to Chikmagalur. So the way we ride is we have a pilot who will be leading the group, and we have a
nice place. It's called Idli Hotel on Google. You can refer to that, but it is very nice. A decent food, very good quality. At least the taste. Okay, let's start back. We are staying in Kalarava Resort, which is approximately 5 to 6 kilometers, or I would say 8 kilometers away from Chikmagalur town towards Kadur. Resort is pretty good. We enjoyed in the pool. There are some snooker boards. There is football area and some art games, and even your gym, a small gym facility. But yeah, it's fun. So you have so many activities so that you can spend your day.
No, actually, I don't feel like, it is a new group for me. I feel like since childhood, I have been riding with BMC.
Childhood. Oh my god. Childhood for him. So, try now. Childhood. Okay.
लेके आया रिंग बड़ जन
So good morning, it's day 2, that is Sunday 19th August. Currently I'm in Kalarava Resort, so that's where we stayed yesterday. It's almost 5 kilometers away from Chikmagalur, and this is how it looks. have reached Bangalore. By the time I reached home, I had completed around 1000 kilometers, and that calls for the first service. So next video would be based on my initial understanding of the first service and my updates. See you for now.